we are going to have a look at the iPad connection kit. Now what this is it connects 5 different components to the iPad and relays them onto your TV. Now it's quite a simple thing to set up, so I'm going to show you how to do that in a minute. I'll just explain the 5 that it can connect. It can connect a camera, it can take your memory cards, your mini memory cards, connection to your computer, so anything on your laptop or anything you want to put from your iPad to your laptop, that will connect it. It also takes USB sticks, okay, so anything you've got on there, pictures or movies that you want to watch on the TV, you can plug into the little unit that you get and it will relay it from your iPad direct into your TV. Okay, so what we do is we just plug it in. I'll show you one of the functions because obviously it will take too long to show you all of them. Okay, it's really simple. Take the cover off. Okay, take the leads out. Now the lead's really simple as well. You get a jack that goes into the back of that. That's where all your connections are for your USB and your memory card, so they all plug into there. Okay, can you see that? Yeah. And then you've got a colour-coded 3-plug setup which goes direct into your TV as usual. I'm going to plug that in, which is in the back on this one. Okay, so we plug that into there, plug that in, and plug that one in, and we connect the iPad up. Okay, that's simple. It goes into your charging point, direct into there, and now we should be able to go turn on the TV and have a look at some of the... All I'm going to do is play you one of the functions, which is a video. It will show you videos, play your music and show your pictures as well. But today all I'm going to do is show you the videos. Okay, so we turn that on, okay, press play and it should start playing. Yep. Now you can fast forward the video by holding it down, you can rewind it, you can pause it, play it, obviously turn up the volume yourself off of the TV remote. So as you can see, it all works fine. Great little product. If you're interested in any products at all similar to this, then go to swbox.com. I'm sure you'll find the right one for you.